What's up, guys? It's Jamal back at it again with another installment of Good Eats, man. Sorry for the wait again. Back in the new location though, and I got some new eats finally. And yeah, man, let's just get into the eats, man. I'm starving. So today for lunch, I got some WingStop. I've never had WingStop before because my old habitat did not have it. But today, oh man, yeah, I got some fries, some wings. I got 20 wings. But I don't know why they only gave me 2 sauces for all the wings, man. Need more sauce for real. But that's alright. Oh, alright. So let me walk you guys through the wings. We got the Hawaiian. I think that's the Hawaiian one. I got 5 of those. Can you get a plate? Or you're not talking enough?
I want a chicken.
I know.
Oh.
So this right here, this is the Hawaiian. It looks tough, I'm not gonna lie. And this, I think this right here is the sweet, the chili one. Yeah, that's what that was. And then here. These are regular. Here. What are you crying for?
I want the chicken.
That is chicken.
It doesn't look like chicken.
It doesn't look. Look at it. Look.
It doesn't look
That's
like
chicken.
chicken.
Oh no. What do you think chicken looks like?
It has bones.
This is boneless. This is boneless wings.
It's not chicken.
It is chicken. Try it.
It's not chicken.
Try it. Try it. Take a bite. Bite into it. Bite it. See? You were gonna cry. You thought this wasn't chicken?
It's not chicken.
Then what is it then? Can I continue with my video? You want some of the fries?
No.
I guess you're gonna start, man. And man, sorry about that. Made me lose my train of thought. And then I got these, man. I'm gonna take all these wrappings off and then I'm just gonna indulge. It's good, right? That's unbelievable. You said it wasn't chicken?
I have tasted these before.
So why are you crying about it if you've already had it before?
Because I want the normal ones.
Beggars can't be choosers here. Sorry about that interruption. Now let me get started with the eats. This is oh man, I need a nice thumbnail. That's a good thumbnail right there. That's a good thumbnail. But look at that. The nice array of flavors. I'm not gonna lie, it does look pretty appetizing. So with the looks alone, man, that looks good. I wish they had given me more sauce though. All right. I'm gonna start with the Hawaiian. Damn, this is hot. How you eating it like that? It's hot. That's good. That's good. You like it, right? It's tough. Not gonna lie. Let's see that.
These are so good.
Yeah, right? You just crying for no reason.
Because I want the original one.
Oh man. This is a good way to start the video, man. That first hit, that first bite, tough, man. But I ordered them a little extra crispy, so I think it's well done on DoorDash. That's what I ordered it through, and I like that. I think I'm gonna keep ordering it well done now.
You took a picture of the pizza and now they're customizing the chicken.
Huh?
Now, I meant to show you you're doing a video.
That's good. That's good. Are you gonna finish those? Oh, man. Yeah, man. So I think the last time I made a video was like January, but and then stuff happened, which led me to not making a video. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go into the whole spiel, but I'm glad I'm back today, man. It's a beautiful day outside. Very hot today. Very hot. I've never experienced this type of weather and this type of year. You know what I'm saying? Normally I'm used to the snow, but I think today is 96. That's so tough. Like, look at that. Look at the quality of that. That's tough.
These are pretty good.
Yeah. Alright. I forgot what flavor this is, but
I never eat these chickens.
so what is it? Have you eaten it before or you've never eaten it before?
I never tasted these before.
Alright.
I should have tasted these.
Whatever. I like the way they make their chicken, man. I like the way they make their chicken, man.
I like the pizza better. I like pizza better.
These are the fries. Let me try some of the fries. Mmm. Damn. These fries are good, especially with the ranch.
They are.
Damn, man. I'm not gonna, this is like my second day ordering DoorDash here. And the options here are a lot more than where I used to live, man. like the food chains that I'm about to go to. Oh man. Don't even get me started, man. Oh man, that's so tough. Yeah, wow. Yeah, of course they're gonna be good, man. You want more ketchup?
Yeah.
Move your thing over closer here. Man, like, look how much wings I have left. I think I'm gonna save some of these for later. I'm not gonna lie. But like, oh man, this is the smacking. So I'd have to say, WingStop, man. I'm definitely a customer, man, because these wings, tough. And the fries too, man. Damn. I like fries, man. I like when they do different things. I don't like when it's just bland, man. Like, the only people that can get away with fries like that is like McDonald's. McDonald's fries is like, it's different, man. But tough. I think I'm gonna eat one more, and then I'm gonna save these for later. So let me get a nice, one last beautiful bite in. Come on, man. All right, it's the very last one. That's tough. I might have to make a part 2 of this, man. Anyways, man, appreciate you guys for watching, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. Yeah, man. Peace.
Hop niggas down, I leave them on the pavement. Y'all niggas need some saving, craving. I shoot niggas and spray them. I do this every day, man. Yeah. Y'all niggas got a problem, y'all niggas got no stay. I got me the Nina and I got that fucking J. Y'all niggas want smoke, man, I got that fucking J. It's gonna be some dangerous shit, I'm loaded.